Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Reet. Happy Diwali to all my lovelies out there, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to create this beautiful glam makeup look for Diwali. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Already prepped my face and applied my primer, foundation and concealer off the camera, and now I'm gonna start with contouring, and for that I'm gonna use Maybelline City bronzer in shade 300. I'm taking it on my angular brush. I'm just gonna make a straight line first. On both sides. And then I'm just gonna go in circular motions and just blend my bronzer into my foundation. Also, I'm gonna make sure that I'm blending it into my hairline as well. Now I'm gonna move on to my nose contouring, and for that I'm gonna use my eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna just apply a little bit bronzer on it, and I'm just gonna apply it right on the sides of my nose. And then I'm gonna take my angular brush. I'm not putting any additional bronzer on it, just whatever I have on it. Just blend it. Before putting my blush, I'm gonna do my highlighter first, and for that I'm going to be using Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter in shade Molten Gold, and I'm just taking it on my highlighter brush. I'm just going to put it on high points of my face. That's my cheekbones, tip of my nose, and a little bit on my forehead, just whatever is on the brush, in my chin. For my blush today, I'm going to be using MAC's Sheer Tone Shimmer Blush in shade Sun Basque, and I'm just going to apply it on my big fluffy brush. I'm just going to put it on a couple of my cheeks. Just apply it first and then just kind of brushing it off. Now I'm going to move on to my eye makeup, and for that I'm going to be using Jaclyn Hill's Volume 2 palette. First I'm taking a big fluffy brush for my crease area, and the color I'm using is called Perfectionist. So I'm just gonna put it on my crease area. First I'm gonna just apply it, and after that I'm gonna start blending it. And just right after my crease area, right under it, I'm gonna use this light purple shade called Therapy Sesh. So first I'm just gonna apply it on half of my eye, just from outer corner to the middle corner, and then I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and just blend it into the transition, into the crease shade. Just making sure that it blends perfectly into my crease shade and no harsh lines are left. After that, for the outer corner of my eye, just to smoke it out a little bit, I'm just gonna use Not My Journey color. This is a dark purple color. I'm just gonna do the same thing. First I'm gonna apply it with a precision brush. right on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm just taking a fluffy brush and just blending it into the rest of my eyeshadow. And also I'm blending it in the middle of my lid, just to give it a gradient effect. For the inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna use the shade called I'm in It. This is a very beautiful shade with a purple shimmer hidden in it. And I'm just gonna take it on my finger and just apply it right on my inner corner, more like 1/3 of my eye. You can also use the brush for it. If you're using the brush, just dab it into your eyelid and then just blend it from the middle. Now I'm going to move on to my lower lash line, and for that I'm going to use the same shade that I used for the transition, called Therapy Sesh, and I'm just going to take it on a precision brush and just apply it right onto my waterline. And after that I'm gonna take the same dark purple shade, Not My Journey, and apply it on the outer corner. Just like that. And taking my fluffy brush, just blending it in. Just make sure you do not poke your eyes, and you can brush off the fallout. I did my other eye off the camera and I also put my eyelashes on. Now I'm going to move on to mascara, and for that I'm going to be using L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise. I'm going to put it on my lower lashes. And a little bit on my upper lashes, just to make sure that they get merged with my eyelashes. For my lipstick, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's liquid lipstick in shade Muse. Now I'm going to move on to the last step, and that is setting spray. And for that I'm going to be using Morphe's Continuing Setting Mist. Thank you so much guys for watching the whole video. I hope it was helpful for all of you. If you like the video, do not forget to hit like button and also share the video as much as you can. If you have any suggestions or comments, please put them down in the comment box below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do. And I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys!